Okay, yeah, I have updates about the ondo-based chef. Yeah, I told you in my previous video that I will be coming up with more updates. If you've not watched the video I made about the latest chef that is doing our own Cook-A-Thon, Chef Adeola. I think they call her Chef Dio, but Adeola. Not confirmed that. But I told you I'll be coming up with more updates as it's progressing. So please click on the notification button and click on the subscription button, because as more updates are coming up, I'll be bringing it firsthand to your decks. Bring your popcorn, bring your juice, get set and get ready for our gists. So, and as well, do not forget to like this video and share. Drop your comments if you feel like Chef Adeola is doing the right thing, and if you feel she's not doing the right thing, maybe it's not the right time whatsoever, kindly drop your comment. We really appreciate that. So let's move down to today's discussion. So now we've been talking about this whole Cook-A-Thon, the whole Guinness record and breaking of the record. It all started when Hilda Basi, she was the one that came up with the whole Cook-A-Thon in Nigeria. There's somebody that has done it before, an Indian chef. Yes, I repeat this if you've not watched our videos, because I've been giving update from the beginning of the whole Cook-A-Thon, from Hilda's own to Chef Dami and now to Chef Adeola. So if you've not been following up on our videos, please kindly watch these videos to get updated. So now Hilda started the whole Cook-A-Thon. She wanted to break the record that was held by the Indian chef. She actually wanted to cook for 96 hours, but she had to extend it. Although the 100 hours were not given to her due to some rules she broke. She's supposed to rest for a few minutes, but she probably rested for more than the minutes she's supposed to rest. So Guinness World Record had to take away 7 hours from her 100 hours. Yes, if you default in any way, once they are done reviewing, they would take or leave it that way. They will leave it that way if you follow the rules and you did not do anything wrong. But if you default in any way, they would have no choice than to, take and put whatever they got to do. And Hilda Basi, they also stated that because of our Cook-A-Thon, they had a lot of traffic on their website, and the tweet about it when they confirmed that they would give her the record. That tweet was the best performing tweet. I keep repeating this. Once Nigeria decides to support you, be sure you are in for the best. And when they decide not to, be ready for problem. Don't get to their black book. Well, when it all happened, Hilda had to wait for some weeks, because like I said, they would have to review what you have done before they can give you the record. Chef Dami, however, carried out her 120 hours Cook-A-Thon, which was not confirmed by Guinness World Record because they did not give her the record. According to them, she actually applied, but they didn't give her a go-ahead. That is why I said there are certain rules you have to follow. And if you watch our first video about the whole Cook-A-Thon during the period Hilda was doing our own Cook-A-Thon, you will see where I listed all the rules and regulations you must follow. Yes. So now, I'm only paraphrasing, I'm only giving a summary of the whole Cook-A-Thon, because the new Chef Adeola, has done something that we believe that it could affect our own record. So any which ways, Chef Dami actually did her own 120 hours, but was not confirmed because her Cook-A-Thon was not approved. She wasn't given the go-ahead, but she went anyway, and she broke a lot of rules. And now, after that, Chef Dami claimed she didn't do it because she wanted Guinness World Record to recognize her, which did not sit well with Nigerians because it was not true. The first video she made before her Cook-A-Thon, she said she wanted to break the record. So if you want to break that record, it means you were seeking for the attention of Guinness World Record. Any which way, she said she was going to prepare to do another Cook-A-Thon in June, but we did not hear from her. Probably she's still preparing. Well, as all that were going on, another chef came up, which I stated in our previous video. If you've not seen it, kindly watch that video. You would see where I explained and spoke about Chef Adeola. Yes, she's an Ondo-based chef who has come out to beat Chef Dami's 120 hours. Although her own record was not even confirmed, well, she said she wanted to cook for 150 hours. Well, this also did not sit well with Nigerians, because they are still extremely angry. They are not even done with that. Dami, they've not gotten over her, and you are coming up to do what? To break a record that somebody just collected this year? Why don't you wait and find a time? And also they were stating that if Hilda did not start this, so would you remember to break the Cook-A-Thon, the record for the longest cooking hours. Is there no other thing you people should do? Must eat be Cook-A-Thon. Well, now she has started her own since June 30, and she's still ongoing. Yes, we're not sure when she's going to finish, but by then I will be giving you updates till she's done with her own Cook-A-Thon. And if Guinness World Record approve and confirm has, no problem. Well, she has done something that people believe would affect her record-breaking attempt. So there's a clip of her, and she actually off her gas. That is one of the rules of the whole Cook-A-Thon. You are not supposed to off your gas. It's supposed to be running all through. That is the reason why they said you have to prepare financially, physically. You have to prepare. Everything is supposed to be in place. People are supposed to be in place. So now she actually off the gas just to get a plate of food that she was eating, which, if we don't know how many hours she took to eat or how many hours the gas was off, if that is being seen, it would affect our record. So you don't just wake up without knowing the rules and regulation and putting things in place so that it will not be. Look at Hilda. She made preparation for how many years? Everything was in place. She had a team. She had everything in place. She had all the sponsors and everybody supporting. But yet, after reviewing, they had to remove 7 hours. So if she did not even cook for that 100 hours and she actually cooked for that 96 hours, if they remove that 7 hours, how many will remain? Will she be able to beat the lady that cooked for 87 hours? We don't know. We even thought she didn't really rest well because I saw how stressed she was, but now they had to confirm that she broke some rules. And now this particular rule that you have broken, we do not know. Maybe Guinness will waive it or they will give it to her. We're not sure. So kindly drop your comment in the comment section. Whatever you have to say. If you are in for Adeola, if you support what she's doing, put it in the comment section. And if you do not, you can also, you're free to drop your opinion and comment in the comment section. But we still wish her all the best in a record-breaking attempt. It is not easy to wake up and say, oh, I want to do this, to take up a challenge, and we once again wish her all the best. So thank you once again for tuning our channel. Thank you, our beautiful listeners and viewers. Do not forget to click on the subscription button and the notification button. Yes, I have more juicy stories coming your way. Do have a wonderful day. See you next time.